Let's see how to change a container background image with a modify control function. Select the container that you are going to modify. Go for Data tab and change the control name as background, or whatever easy to understand for you. Changing name will help you to identify the element easily. Go for Functions tab. Press the Controls button. It will show you the page list. Press the current page to select the page. Now, press Add Event to add an event to the page. Select OnLoad Event. This event will be triggered when the page opens each time. Press OnLoad Event to add functions. Go for Controls section and select the Modify Control function. Add the image URL in this field. Press Inputs to select the element. Go for Controls section and find the element which you want to modify. In my case, it is named as background. Select the background element. Finally, select the property of the element to modify.